How to fix EA Sports FC 25 10-hour trial not working. So if you're having trouble with that, there's a method that could potentially help you with this. So you're just gonna have to go to your profile settings or just the Xbox settings in general. And once you're in general, just go ahead and press on network settings. So once you press on network settings, just go ahead and go offline and then try reopening the game again. So just go ahead and confirm some stuff and press OK. And if it doesn't work, you can go back to that general settings, go to your network again and go online and see if maybe that method could potentially help you fix the 10-hour trial that's not working. So hopefully that method does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.